Ready to discover if this is the boldest urban SUV we've ever seen? The 2025 Renault Captur is back. And it's not just sleeker or smarter, it's electrifying. But what truly sets this model apart in a sea of crossovers? You'll want to stay until the very end, because what's hidden under the hood and inside the cabin just might leave you speechless. The first look, a bold new persona unveiled. From the instant your eyes land on the 2025 Captur, it demands your attention. With its freshly updated front fascia, those sleek LED daytime running lights, and a stance that screams confidence, this car doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. The redesigned grille and sculpted bumper add a perfect blend of elegance and attitude, while flowing sidelines and those larger alloy wheels dial up its sportier appeal. And with dual-tone body options and a floating roof design, its striking personality is simply undeniable. Around the back, slimmer taillights and an integrated spoiler complete the look with a refined, dynamic flourish that begs for a second glance. Beyond the doors, prepare to be immersed. But what if I told you the exterior is just the beginning? Step inside and prepare to be utterly captivated. The moment you enter the cabin, the atmosphere is nothing short of magnificent. This isn't just about premium materials. It's an experience. Think soft leather, beautifully textured surfaces, and ambient lighting that subtly shifts from calming to exhilarating. And your command center? A next-generation 12-inch fully digital display intelligently presents all the essential information you need. That large, intuitive touchscreen in the center console, it doesn't just feel like a tablet. It feels like the future at your fingertips. And those seats, ergonomically shaped and incredibly comfortable, they promise to keep you fresh and alert, even on your longest journeys. Under the hood, a secret weapon unlocked. Now for the ultimate revelation. What kind of power truly drives this urban marvel? The 2025 Renault Captur isn't just designed to impress. It's assertive engineered to perform. Among its core engine options, you'll find a lively 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine. But the real game-changer is the upgraded E-Tech full hybrid system. This innovative E-Tech hybrid unleashes 145 horsepower, seamlessly working with 2 electric motors. The result? A thrilling blend of efficiency and energetic responsiveness that feels just as capable slicing through city traffic as it does cruising on the open road. It sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 9.9 seconds. A truly impressive figure for an urban SUV. The drive. Master every mile. So, with all that sophistication, how does it feel behind the wheel? The driving experience in the Captur 2025 is a masterful balance of dynamic agility and serene comfort. Crave tranquility? Switch to Eco Mode. Need a rush? Engage Sport Mode. The new steering system offers pinpoint precision, while the suspension delivers both rock-solid stability and an incredibly comfortable ride. In short, the Captur is engineered to fulfill both your wildest weekend getaway dreams and the demanding realities of your daily urban grind. The official unveiling of the 2025 Renault Captur is expected in late 2025, with sales in European markets kicking off in the first quarter of 2026. As for pricing, the entry-level model is projected to start around 24,000 to 26,000 euros in Europe. The E-Tech hybrid version will likely be priced around 29,000 to 31,000 euros. Keep in mind, local market prices will vary based on specific customs and tax regulations. The 2025 Renault Captur isn't just a vehicle, it's a bold statement. It's the perfect fusion of urban freedom, undeniable style, and exhilarating power. The future of driving isn't just around the corner, it's here, and you're in the driver's seat.